Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 OpenGL not supported error. Click Start, Settings. Click Settings. Click Advanced Display Settings. Click Display Adapter Properties for display. My adapter type is Intel UHD Graphics 630. Search with the adapter type. Open manufacturer website. Click Drivers and Software. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Click Begin installation. Click I agree. Click Start. Click Reboot now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.